So first thing you guys want to do is go ahead and open up your Play Store and simply go ahead and search for WhatsApp and see if you have any updates. So if you have any updates, go ahead and update WhatsApp to receive all these new features. So if you just go to any chat, you can now react to these messages. So if you just long click on any message, and now as you guys can see, you can react to these messages with 6 emojis. So as you guys can see, you can select any emoji you like. I'm gonna react to it with a thumbs up. And not only to other messages, you can also react to your own messages. So if you just long click it, and you can simply react to the message. And also you can remove these reactions. So if you just tap on that, and you can remove it by simply tapping on the emoji. Simply go to your settings and then go to your account and go to privacy, and then go ahead and click on your profile photo. And now there is a new option called My Contacts Accept. So before we received the update, we have everyone, My Contacts, and nobody. And now we have something new called My Contacts Accept. So if you simply tap on that, you can select some contacts that you don't want to show your profile picture. So I'm going to select some random contacts, and then I'm going to tap on this little tick right here. And now the contacts you have selected won't be able to see the profile picture. Go to your settings and go to storage and data. And from there, scroll to the very bottom and click on photo upload quality, and then go ahead and select best quality and just tap on OK. And from now on, all the pictures that you are going to send will be in the best quality, and the quality won't be going to reduce. So go ahead and go to your account, and from there go to privacy and scroll to the very bottom, and you will see something called Fingerprint Lock. Go ahead and tap on that, and then you can simply enable this option. And now you can scan your finger through your fingerprint sensor. So keep in mind, this is only going to be available if you have a fingerprint sensor in your phone. So I'm not going to scan my finger because my fingerprint sensor has been broken for some reason. So all you need to do is go ahead and scan your finger, and after the lock is successfully enabled, you will see some other settings. So now you can actually select whether you want to have this lock immediately after you open up WhatsApp, or after 1 minute you open up WhatsApp, or after 30 minutes. And then there is another thing, which is show content in notifications. It means if you want to show the WhatsApp messages in your notifications panel while this fingerprint lock is enabled, you can enable this option right here. But if you disable this option, you won't going to see the WhatsApp messages in your notifications panel. You need to open up WhatsApp to see and read the messages you have received in WhatsApp. Okay, so the last trick is, as you guys already may know, if you want to send a message through WhatsApp, first you need to save that contact. But now I'm gonna show you guys a way to actually send messages without saving that number. So all you need to do is go ahead and open up your Play Store, and you need to search for Tellurium in your search panel. After that, you will see this app pop up. All you need to do is go ahead and install this. Okay, so now you can simply open up the app. Okay, so after that, you can simply select your country from this list, and then you can simply enter the WhatsApp number, and then click on start chat. And now you can select WhatsApp, and now as you guys can see, that chat will be opened up in your WhatsApp. And now you can simply send a message without actually saving the contact. So yeah guys, that is pretty much it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, make sure to drop a like, and I'll catch you guys on my next video. Peace.